So how would I start to take the card apart when I don't know how to do it? What I found most helpful with Corrado was of course the Google, YouTube forums, but most helpful was like these parts catalogs. You could look up like look the bumper and then look up what's holding it together and then starting to take that apart. So yeah, this is my secret, how I'm gonna take this apart too. Is there any particular order? I think not. So I would start with the interior, with the door panels. And well, the seats are already out, but I would do that next. I'm starting with the side panel. I see that there are screws here, and the speaker is also attached with the screws. So I'm gonna unscrew them and we'll see. Is there anything else that's holding it? This is also one of the things that I learned with the Corrado, that be more bold and things will come apart or break. Yes. So what else is that most of the time goes to search for the right tools. I found one at last. So these things you can just unscrew. And there was one in here, one in here. I didn't need to take this off. I didn't realize that it was one piece, but it's fine. This needs proper cleaning anyway, so I can put this back. So are things hard to get open? No. There are some things that I need to use more strength, but overall in the interior I will manage by myself. In the engine bay and wheel and other stuff, yes, probably, but in the interior, no. This would be the style I would start to take car apart. Like, see, a little bit of testing, a little bit of mistakes, and then this will come off, as with everything in this car. So yay, one thing is apart. This is it for the day. I just wanted to show you how I would start to take a car apart. One more important thing is that take a lot of boxes to put screws and other stuff into and label them. And I will take many pictures of the things that hold these parts together, so it's easier when I reassemble the car. I did that with my Corrado too, and it made life a lot easier. So if you liked today's video, then like and subscribe, comment, and see you in the next video. Oh wait, there's a cool stuff, a cool thing I discovered. This should absorb the vibration and sound quite well. Well, this went into my hoodie. So I think I will definitely recommend to do, and I will do by myself too. So one thing, so